Good day, ma'am. Please allow me to discuss the introduction for redox. So, oxidation-reduction reactions, also known as the redox reactions. What is the redox reactions? Describe all chemical reactions in which there is a net change in atomic charge. In other words, redox reactions are characterized by the actual or formal transfer of electrons between the chemical species, most often with one species undergoing oxidation, while another species undergoes reduction. So there is a class of reactions that includes here. First, there is formation of compound from its elements. Second one, all combustion reactions. Third, reactions that generate electricity. Lastly, reactions that produce cellular energy. In short, there are the reactants and the products in every reactions. In this part, I would love to read the terminologies for you. And the only thing just to put in your mind that the word redox, it is the net movement of electrons from one reactant to another. What is the word oxidation? It is the loss of electrons, while reductions, it is the gain of electrons. How about oxidizing agent? It is the species doing oxidizing, while the reducing agent is the species doing reducing. How about the word agents? That it makes something happen. To define the oxidation number, or also known as oxidation state, it is defined as a charge of atom would have if electrons were not shared but were transferred completely. In some cases, oxidation state indicates that the degree of oxidation for an atom in a chemical compound, it is the hypothetical charge that an atom would have if all bonds to atoms of different elements were completely ionic. The oxidation states also are typically represented in the integers, which can be positive, negative, or zero. By oxidizing agent versus reducing agent, but before that, just remember that oxidation again, loss of electrons, while reductions, gaining of electrons. An oxidizing agent makes oxidation happen, and reducing agent makes reduction happen. Like for example, A versus B. A loses electrons while B gains electrons. While A again is oxidized and B is reduced. Just like A gives electrons to B and reducing it, while B takes electrons from A and oxidizing it. A again is reducing agent while B is oxidizing agent. Just like the thing that is oxidized is the thing reducing agent. The thing that is reduced is the oxidizing agent. Now, here is the given example. Calcium plus chlorine 2 is equals to Ca plus 2 Cl to negative 1. Now look at it clearly. The calcium is oxidized. It loses electrons, while the chlorine is reduced. It gains electrons. The calcium also is the reducing agent, while the chlorine is the oxidizing agent. No wonder if there is a zero in it, because since the oxidation number of the atoms is any free and combined elements is zero, and that turns to Ca plus 2 Cl to negative 1. Ca is really belongs to here as well as the Cl.
So, good morning, Miss. So, the topic I will report today is some common oxidation reduction reactions. So, many of the oxidation-reduction reactions we will discuss here fall into the following simple kinds. So, some common oxidation-reduction reactions kay na siya 4 kinds. The first is combination reactions. The second is decomposition reactions. And the third is displacement reactions. And the fourth is combustion reactions. So, what is combination reactions? Combination reactions is a reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single product. Example, kani plus kani. I-add ni siyang duha para mahimo siya inani. So, not all combination reactions are oxidation-reduction reactions. So, dili ko na tanan combination reactions kay oxidation-reduction reactions. So, the simplest cases are those in which two elements react to form a compound. This can be called synthesis reaction. So, simplest cases kay are two elements nga mo react to form a compound kay gitawag to siya og synthesis reaction. So, how do you find the combination of a reaction? So, masaon ko pagpangita sa combination of a reaction? Recognize a combination reactions by examining the number of reactants and products. So, imo i-examine through pagpangita sa reactants o sa product. In this reaction, two reactants become a single product. Or combination reactions may occur between two elements, two compounds, or two elements plus two compounds, or between a compound or element. So, meaning ana sa iya, like pares-pares bitaw siya. So, next is we classify combination reactions on the basis of kind of reactants that participate in chemical reaction. Combinations reactions are of 3 types. So, imo i-classify ang combination reactions na basis sa katong kind of reactants. So, meaning, tara combine 3 types. The first type of combination reaction, an element combines with another element to form a new compound. So, example, elements nitrogen and hydrogen when fast over finely divided ion combine to produce a pungent smelling gas ammonia. So, example, nitrogen is yellow plus hydrogen is green. So, equals yellow-green. So, ang kaning yellow-green mo, nagitawag siya og ammonia. Nitrogen plus hydrogen equals ammonia. So, mauna yung symbol N2 plus 3H2 plus 2NH3. In the second type of combination reaction, an element combines with a compound. So, meaning element plus compound. Example, when a reaction takes place between a compound 3O2 and an element oxygen to produce sulphur trioxide. So, mauna yung symbol 2,5O2 plus O2 minus 2SO3. So, in the third type of combination, two or more compounds combine to form a new compound. Example, kini duha, two or more compounds plus isagaw sa duha mo nang mahimo ing ana. So, bisag example kini diri daghan nga mga compounds plus isagaw daghan. Bisag unsa na siya ka, bisag unsa siya kadaghan, i-plus at sa daghan, i-combine silang duha, mahimo ra jud na siyang usa. Example, i-combine ang daghan sa daghan para mahimo sa siyang usa. A reaction in which lime reacts vigorously with water to form a white powder of calcium hydroxide known as slaked lime. So, mao ni iyang symbol CeO plus H2O minus Ce open parenthesis OH close parenthesis 2. Nara, reactions examples. So, para mga example diri katong hydrogen plus nitrogen equals ammonia. Magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide, so magnesium carbonate. So, carbon monoxide plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide. Then, 2Na sodium plus chlorine equals sodium chloride. So, ari di ay kay ari sa chlorine ay Na manino. Gari na diri kay compound naman siya, sodium chloride na siya. Ang INA change na siya og IDA. Para di sa mag-label. Na-discuss naman nila sa ato sa mga reporter. Then, dari na. Synthesis reactions, photosynthesis. Ngano nabuhat ang photosynthesis para di maglibog na ako i-search. Charan. Tara. So, carbon dioxide plus water equals 2 glucose plus oxygen. Para mauna siya. Para di maglibog ha. Mauna. So, next is formation of water. So, formation of water kay balo naman taan no. Okay, sige man nag-discuss ato ni Miss sa atong mga reporter. So, hydrogen plus oxygen equals H2O or water. Mana kamao naman tana. Then, next is formation of salt. Ang formation of salt kay katungkuan kanang unsaon pagkahimo sa salt. So, sodium plus chlorine equals sodium chloride. So, diri mao gyapon to kog ingon ganina nga INA sodium plus compound naman siya ang chlorine, may mga siyang chloride mo tong sodium plus chlorine equals sodium chloride. Tara, sabot. So, next is general form. So, E plus B equals C. Dumaw dito ganina tong i-example na ko ganina nakatong sa combination reaction niya. General form kay E plus B equals C. Yes, so katong ako gingon yellow plus green equals yellow green. So, more din ako report, miss. Thank you, miss. God bless.